Hey there, fixers. So today we're gonna be working on a 2020 Subaru Legacy, and this is how to disengage or turn off the pre-collision braking assist or the lane departure. So first you want to go here, and it says driving assistance. You want to hit there. It's on the pre-collision braking. It's on. You go right there, and then turn it off. It's gonna give you a warning, and you press OK. You go back, and it's off already. Now the lane departure, you wanna go here, turn it off. You could either one of these two settings or three settings, or turn it off, and then go back, and now they're off. To put it again, to engage it again, you just go back to there. It could be here again. You just hit driving assist. You go back over here. You turn it on. It's gonna throw you a warning again. And then you go back. And then the lane departure, you put all functions or whichever you want from here. You go again. You press all functions. You go back, and it's back on.